In this video, let's talk about a brand new light designed by Ulanzi. The name of the product is VL49 RGB mini LED video light. So this light has exactly the same size as the classic VL49 LED video light. So in this light, we have even more than simply the VL49, but now we have RGB and magnetic base. But at the same time, we have much more new features packed in the same size. So from inside out, this VL49 is a brand new and redesigned in every detail. So in the package, you can see that not only we have the color temperature, the CCT mode, all the way down to the 2500K, all the way up to 9000K, and we have inside the 2000 milliamp lithium battery, and inside the package now we have 16 LED that has even more than the VL49, and the CRI is more than 19.5. So now the color is very high quality. From inside out, we can see every detail about this light. Here the slogan of the Ulanzi. And now let's unboxing this light. Inside out, we can see there is the main body of the light, the USB-C charging cable, and a very well made user manual. The size of the VL49 is exactly the same as the classic VL49. You can see the frame of the front panel now is silver gray. It's not black, and in the front bottom, it's still a cold screw mount with a 1/4" thread in the middle. All the way around, we have 3 more cold screw mount, and could help you attach microphone, or you can multi-connect dozens of VL49 to get a larger surface of the LED panel. From this side, you can see we have changed a lot in the back of the VL49 RGB version. Now this is a magnetic base, could help you attach the light to the surface that was made of steel. You can see this is a hexagon mount made of steel. You can see that. You can attach very heavily from the Ulanzi to the magnetic logo. They are all magnetic clips inside the package, so you can put your Ulanzi VL49 RGB light to different surface and attach very solid. The top of the back panel, there is a mini screen that shows some information, and this is a charging Type-C port, minus and plus button, and mode button, power on off button. So when you power on the VL49 RGB light, that will take you to the previous mode. In the CCT mode, on the left is exactly color temperature, on the right is the luminosity of the color. So you single tap the mode button, could help you switch back from the temperature to the luminosity, and can add to higher tile temperature, or can lower tile temperature. The one minor detail in the operation is that when you single tap button to plus or minus, it will increase by a step of 10K. But if you keep pressing on this button, that will take you through a step of 100K. That will quickly take you to higher or lower tile temperature. This is a very good design. Single tap, now we can change the luminosity of the light. And when you long press the mode button, now we are in the RGB mode. In the RGB mode, we can change the hue and the illuminance. So it's in the HSI mode, we can change the hue and the illuminance, but we cannot change the saturation value. And here we are changing the hue value, and judging from the color wheel of the back panel, you can judge exactly where we are producing the light, judging from the color panel. So now we are 123 degrees. That is the green light. And we can change, lower down a little bit. We can change to yellow all the way down to red. Right now it's the red light, and we can all the way up to. So this is cycling through 0 to 360. Now we go to the purple, blue. But we can lower the value of the illuminance, that will give you a softer look of the same color. So we can change the hue and illuminance by the different combo of the buttons on the back panel. And when we press the mode button once again, we are now in the CCT mode. Long press again, we are now in the RGB mode. So we have don't forget we still have a magnetic base. So now in such small, tiny and compact size, we now have CCT mode as well as the RGB mode. So I'm really happy to see that Ulanzi produced such a small and compact, and this is perhaps in 2020 the best low budget RGB light for the vloggers, and the price is very cheap and the quality is just great. So I highly recommend this product to you, and I like this VL49 RGB version very much. So in my opinion, the VL49 RGB light is perhaps the best low budget RGB light for you in 2020. And I believe with this light, and you can double connect or connect the dozens of VL49 RGB light together to get a large surface of the RGB panel. And that will definitely help the vloggers, the YouTubers create much more great content with more convenience and lower budget. So if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to sum up, subscribe, and hit notification bell. In the future, I'm gonna share with you more about the interesting product designed by Ulanzi. So until next time, bye.